Hello, I'm Papia. In this problem, we have to complete this table where we have to find the balance A when you invest P amount, where P is $1,500, at this rate R, which is 2%, for 10 years, and you're compounding n times a year, where the n values are given right here, 1, 2, 4, 12, and 365. Also, we have to figure out what is the balance when you're compounding continuously. So let's recall how to find balance. Well, when you are compounding n times a year, so for all these values, A is equal to P times 1 plus R over n to the power n times t. So this is the formula that we have to use to figure out what is the balance. Okay, so we know the values, so let's plug this in. P is 1,500 times 1 plus. Now the rate is 2%. 2% means 0.02. So that's the number you will be using here. So 0.02 divided by n to the power n times t. T is 10. 10n. So as you can see, we have the formula. When we plug in various n values, we will get various balance, that is A. So we can use a graphing utility, plug in this formula, and then plug in various n, and we will get the numbers that we want. So first start with 1,500 times 1 plus 0.02 divided by n. N is equal to 1, so plug in 1. To the power 10 times 1, and you get approximately, so it's a balance, it's in dollar. We have, let's see, 1828.49. And you can see we'll continue doing this. Next, you plug in n equals 2 in the same formula. So let's do that. So when n is 2, balance is $1830.29. Continue. Next, n is equal to 4. Again, use the same formula, plug in n equals 4 here and in the exponent as well. And you get balance is 1831.19. Next, we have n equals 12. So plug in n equals 12. Keep the formula same. Okay. Balance will be 1831.80. Approximately. Finally, when n is 365, then we get balance is 1832.09. All right, so we figured out what is the balance A for all these various n's when you're compounding n times a year. The last one is compounding continuously. For that, we need a different formula. So for this one, A is equal to P times e to the power R times t. Okay, so P is 1,500 times e to the power R is 0.02 times t is 10. So this is 1,500 times e to the power 0.2. So let's plug that in. So we have 1,500 times, use the exponential function, e to the power 0.2. And the balance for continuous compounding is 1832.10. approximately. So we completed the table. Thank you.